Hello students, welcome to CBSE Science Series. Today we are going to learn about electron emission. This topic comes under dual nature of radiation and matter. What do you mean by electron emission? Electron emission means the ejection of electrons from the metal surface is known as the electron emission. We already studied about the metals. Metals are the good conductors of electricity because there are more number of free electrons, and we also studied that the velocity of the free electrons very high at room temperature. So even at very high velocity the free electrons are inside the conductor. It cannot come out of the conductor because the conductor is a neutral substance. All the metals are neutral substance, and the current carrying conductor also neutral substance. So when the electron comes out of the metal surface becomes positive charge and the electron is negative charge, so there is attractive force. So due to the attractive force of the electron goes inside the metal surface, but the electron gets some energy to break that attractive force of the metal surface, means to move against that, to overcome that attractive force of the metal surface, the electrons can be ejected from the metal surface. So this is what electron emission, and the amount of energy it requires to break the attractive force of the metal surface is known as the work function. Here I have written few lines for you. The phenomenon of emission of electrons from a metal surface is called electron emission. Metals are good conductors of electricity. They have free electrons, that is negatively charged particle, which are conducting the electricity. The free electrons work function. The free electrons cannot normally escape out of the metal surface. If an electron attempts to come out of the the metal surface acquires a positive and pulls the electron back to the metal. That is, there is attractive force between the metal and the electron, thus held inside the metal surface. This attractive force is acting like a potential barrier, means this potential barrier is telling this much amount of energy is needed for the electron to move out of the metal surface. So to overcome this potential barrier, electron needs to get sufficient energy, that is a certain minimum amount of energy is required to be given to an electron to pull it out from the surface of the metal. This is called work function. Means what is the exact definition of the work function? The minimum energy required by an electron to escape from the metal surface is called the work function of the metal. This is denoted by phi naught. We denote work function as phi naught and measured in electron volt. Thank you.